It begins quietly, like the first note of a symphony before the melody finds its courage. A house that doesn't just welcome you, it absorbs you, in color, in warmth, in stillness. Here, elegance isn't declared, it's felt, in the way light lingers, in the way silence hums. The entry doesn't demand attention, it whispers it. Soft tones, a single bloom, the subtle confidence of restraint. Then the room opens, a conversation between vibrance and grace. Sunlight dances on velvet, crimson chairs strike their pose against muted green walls. This is not decoration, it's choreography. Every object participates, the art, the mirror, the quiet echo of symmetry. It feels cinematic, yet lived in, controlled, yet alive. In the kitchen, the palette softens, white, brass, and breath. A kind of discipline wrapped in beauty, simplicity made sensual. Beyond, the mood turns golden. Branches of light scatter across the table, the scent of citrus and linen drifting through air that feels almost tangible. The dining room hums with anticipation, of laughter, of long evenings where time forgets itself. Then comes the depth, the richer tones, the weight of thought. Here, walls hold memories. Amber light leans gently on worn books and quiet corners. The sofa doesn't wait for company. It keeps secrets. Every texture speaks the language of time: velvet, paper, and the faint hum of solitude. Upstairs, serenity unfurls. Rooms dressed not to impress, but to exhale. Green and blush melt into daylight, like watercolor over silk. Headboards bloom in soft patterns, a whisper of nostalgia meeting modern calm. Here, luxury isn't visual, it's emotional. It's the silence between two breaths, the weight of a comforter at dawn, and the hush that follows peace. And at last, the quiet corner. A chair bathed in afternoon light. The world beyond the window, perfectly still. You realize this isn't just a home designed to be seen. It's a home designed to listen to your moods, your silences, your life as it truly unfolds. Because the truest form of luxury is not in how a space looks, but in how it makes you feel when the world stops moving.